Start by preparing 2 straps. Then take your 2 fabric pieces. Cut a square from each corner of both pieces. Repeat the same process on the second fabric piece. Next, mark a margin along all sides of the fabric. Apply glue along those marked edges on both pieces. Fold the edges inward following the markings. Start with the first fabric piece where you applied glue. Then repeat with the second one. On the folded edges, find the center and mark equal distances on both sides. Repeat this on the opposite side. Now bring together the cut corners and sew them to form the base. Repeat the same step for all remaining corners. Do the same process with the second fabric piece. Join the sides and sew. Apply double-sided tape to the fabric piece where you made the markings. Seal the ends of the straps and attach them onto the tape. Place the second strap in the same way. Turn the fabric piece without straps inside out. Insert one fabric piece into the other. Align all the seams carefully. Secure everything with clips. Sew all around the top edge. Finish by sealing all loose ends.